Wastewater treatment station has a treatment capacity of 600 cubic meters per day. It's designed with two sets of ultrafiltration hollow fiber membrane modules with a single set of membrane area of 1,050 square meters. After approximately 1 year of stable operation, the MBR membrane modules are now undergoing offline inspection, repair, and cleaning. The specific process is described as follows. First, applicable conditions for offline cleaning. Severe membrane folding. The transmembrane pressure difference fails to return to the initial value after online recovery cleaning. Conducted every 3 months or when the suction pressure exceeds 30 kPa. Impact of mechanical failures, physical blockages caused by uneven aeration, sludge accumulation, or fiber entanglement. Ineffectiveness of chemical cleaning. Online chemical cleaning. For example, with sodium hypochlorite, citric acid cannot remove organic or inorganic composite. Folding. The transmembrane pressure difference is within the normal range, but the service life exceeds 1 year. Second, preparations before offline inspection, repair, and cleaning. Adjust the operation of the water treatment station. Usually choose the period when the plant is shut down or the wastewater volume is small. Offline cleaning takes about 3 days. Ensure that equalization wastewater has sufficient capacity for water storage. Prepare chemicals required for offline cleaning. 2% citric acid solution can be prepared with solid citric acid and 10% sodium hypochlorite solution. Prepare tools and materials needed for offline cleaning. MBR membrane module spare parts, tap water hoses, wrenches, work gloves, etc. Check the operation of the membrane module lifting hoist to ensure it's in working condition. Third, workflow of offline inspection, repair, and cleaning. Lower the liquid level of the MBR membrane tank to below the membrane module and remove the cover plate of the MBR inspection hole. Dismantle the flange connections between the MBR membrane module and the water production pipe, as well as the aeration pipe. Hoist the membrane module and rinse the surface sludge with low pressure water flow. Do not use high pressure water guns and hard tools, brushes, or scrapers to prevent membrane filament breakage. Inspect the cleaning condition. At the same time, conduct the maintenance on the membrane module. If there are broken filaments or damaged plastic parts, repair and replace them. After confirming that the membrane module is intact, proceed to the next step of immersion cleaning. Fill water into the membrane cleaning equipment. Prepare chemicals and soak for more than 12 hours. Prepare 3,000 mg per liter sodium hypochlorite solution and 2% citric acid solution in sequence, ensuring that the membrane module is completely submerged. Further, inspect the cleaning condition of the membrane module and perform manual scrubbing if necessary. After confirmation, hoist the membrane module back to the MBR membrane tank and reconnect the relevant pipes. Check the air tightness of the MBR membrane module system and resume water supply to the system. Fourth, key notes. Membrane protection measures. Membrane sheets must be kept moist after soaking. Avoid exposure to dry conditions to prevent delamination and aging. Avoid high-pressure washing and violent disassembly to fully protect the membrane module and related components. Finally, effect verification. After cleaning, the membrane flux recovery should be more than 90% of the initial value, and the suction negative pressure should be stably less than -20 kPa to be qualified.